When you open a laptop, your mind often shifts into work mode. Why? Because you've repeatedly used that device for studying, writing, editing, researching, or building something meaningful. The keyboard, the large screen, the sitting posture, everything creates a structured environment. That structure sends one clear signal: this is for productivity. But when you pick up your phone, your brain receives a completely different signal. The phone has been trained in your mind as a source of entertainment. Reels, short videos, quick scrolling, instant dopamine. Even if your intention is to study, your subconscious mind still expects stimulation and distraction. That's why you open your phone for 5 minutes and suddenly 40 minutes are gone. This is exactly why you should choose one specific device for one specific purpose. If possible, dedicate your laptop only to productive work. No random scrolling, no unnecessary entertainment. When you protect that signal, your brain learns faster. Laptop equals focus. Over time, just opening it will automatically put you into work mode. That's mental conditioning. But what if you only have a phone? Then you must intentionally train your phone to become a productivity device. Remove distracting apps from your home screen because what you see first controls your actions. If temptation isn't visible, your brain won't chase it. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Create a separate folder only for study apps. Use focus mode. Keep your wallpaper minimal and goal-oriented. Most importantly, use your phone in a specific physical posture. Sit at a table, not on a bed. When you start using your phone only at a desk for serious tasks, your brain slowly rewires the association. Now let's talk about environment. Environment is even more powerful than the device. If you sit on your bed, your brain associates that space with rest. If you sit at a clean table with good lighting, your brain associates that space with action and focus. A specific chair, a specific desk, even a specific corner of your room can become a productivity trigger. The brain loves patterns. When the place, posture, and device all send the same signal, focus becomes natural instead of forced.